Here's a video of the manual quick release for the EZ Lock. EZ Lock does have electronic control here for release, which we've talked about in previous videos, but it's always good to have a backup plan. And so down on the EZ Lock, I built in a release, and so when the cable's pulled, it can push that lever right there that releases this part of it. But it still allows that solenoid to cycle and not have any interference from the manual release at the same time. So that cable goes around over here up to the side, and then it terminates at the end there, and it goes up to a metal piece that goes up to the handle, pivots down here, and the handle is right here within easy reach. So here's how you cycle it. You just pull it like that, and we can see that right down there it cycles nice and easy. The other benefit of having a large handle like that is when the wheelchair is in it and the ramp is tilted down, there's a lot of pressure on this pawl right here, and the solenoid will not release it if there's pressure on that. However, this manual release will, and I tried it myself with me in the wheelchair in there with the ramp tilted, and I was able to come out of there no problem. So that's a nice safety feature to have with a manual release for this thing. Anyway, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and we've got more videos coming.